Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level of Islamabad coupled you back by Zoya Nasir. This TEDx talk explains that fear is a natural emotion, but we should not let it stop us from achieve or dream. Fear often make us depend ourselves and avoid new opportunities. Zoya Nasir share the everyone experiences fear at same point in life. The difference is that successful people learn to face their fear instead to running away from the average challenge is a change to grow stronger and become more confident. One of the main lessons from this talk is that we should believe in ourselves and never let fear control our decision. When we step out our comfort zone, we discover new abilities and become better version of ourselves. This TEDx talk inspired me to be brave, stay confident, and keep working toward my goals, even when things seem difficult, and reminded me that courage is strong than fear. Overall, I found this TEDx talk very inspiring and motivational. It encouraged me to trust myself, overcome my fear, and never stop change my dreams. My name is Ali Sultan, and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level life at Islamabad campus. See you next time.